unboxing video for a mini bike 100 made by Ultra Sport. It was bought from amazon.co.uk. Links are in the video description. It's about £45, not too expensive. If like me you spend most of your time sat at a computer, then this might be a solution to make that more, to increase your fitness levels perhaps. So Ultra Sport mini bike 100, you get a little spanner, a few other parts as well. There you go. And in here you've got something, no idea what. And here we have the main parts. I'm just going to chuck it out. Chuck it over there. There we go. Polystyrene. Here's the main attraction stuff. Big chunky bit here, the main thing. It's quite heavy. It's clear. So these are the pedals. Hi guys, so I'm going to attempt to assemble this using the instructions, which come in German and English. So all you need are this stuff here, which came with the device. You need to use this screwdriver, a washer. So this is part number 24, 23. This goes on the front, this goes on the rear. So they go on those two holes there. So washer like that. There we go. That's a bit dumb. So you get your screwdriver here, Phillips one, put it on, just find the hole, there you go. It's quite easy to find actually, and you just screw them in. Screwdriver's not the best, it's quite hard to handle. I would recommend maybe buying a bit set, which you know, this thing is quite sharp here, just digging into my hand. It's not the best. So that's on. So let's get the big one done. Big one also has two screws there. So washer. So there we go, ready to go. Putting it onto those two there, so you want to go that way. Assume that's in, yeah. Again, it's quite hard to actually use this. Okay, so I'm now going to use a bit set like this. You can, it kind of comes in that, and you get metal attachments which you can stick on, so you kind of set for any type of screw, and it's a much more comfortable grip as well. So I'm going to use that instead. Then this, which is a bit rubbish, and it digs into my hand as well. So I'm just going to screw this in. get it nice and tight as well, so that it's, you know, a bit more safe to use, I guess. Nice health and safety thing there. So with your spanner here, you have to now put the correct pedals on. This one's right, it's got R there. This one's L, left, it's got left there. So you now need to put it into the slot here clockwise. That is going in. Okay, you have to get this thing here. Okay, so in the instructions it says go clockwise, but I'm actually going anti-clockwise on this one. So yeah, not really sure I'm doing this right. So that is on. That's good. So there you go. So there's your foot pedal on that one. So left one next. So this has definitely got L written on it. So this is correct. I'm going anti-clockwise again, and that's the right way, so I'm not sure what the instructions are about. This one's a bit more stiffer than the other one. I assume I'm doing it right. It's much stiffer than the other one. Quite on there. So that's now on there, finally. Okay, so I'm now going to put a supplied AAA battery in there. I'm actually going to use one of these any loops because they are much more, they last quite a lot longer. So with the computer you have to put it out. You can put it out for 10 centimeters wide. You just put your AAA battery in, the correct polarity. There we go, and then you put it back in, and that's it. Should be working, probably. So there we go. Yep. So you've got your like repetitions there. No idea what all this means. Got your thing here which does the tension. So if I that does the tension. So I'm now going to just demonstrate this with socks on. So you want to have it like a bicycle. You just want to have that at the bottom, this one at the top. You just pedal. I'm actually sat back in my office chair doing this with the tripod between my legs. So yeah, it's quite easy. Let's try and brake. break it, shall we? So there we go. Thanks for watching my YouTube video on this. You can buy it from Amazon.co.uk and .com. Also, would suggest getting a bit set, which is ideal for general use as well, and also some loop batteries for the mini computer there. Sat on my office chair, kind of imagine me at my desk. There, it's quite easy to do really. It's not too loud, doesn't move on the floor. Probably will last a bit. Hopefully I'll be super slim, athletic with a six-pack just by doing this. So yeah, I would say this mini bike 100 Ultra Sport, a German company, it's pretty decent. You know, if you just want to sit here and lose your massive gut, which I've got, then go for it. Thanks for watching.